Put the mower in the garage. And then after the garden dries a little bit out there, you go out and fill it with weeds. You have to move all the stones first. You got tomatoes out there about to turn right there. So you might want to pick them early so the bugs don't bees and the birds don't get them. So see you.
You have to back up. I can't see all of you. Back up a little bit more. There you go. That's good. Whoop. No, not out in the yard. No. Back up here, because you're going to get mud on my good shoes. Get back up here. Thank you. Who's at the door?